right, taking a look at 704 Matheson. Just take a look around the living room. Has plaster walls, 8-foot ceilings. It's about a 750 square foot house. I'll raise this out a little bit. And the floor needs a little bit of work. It needs all new flooring throughout. Kitchen. Let's turn some lights on in here. Is a small galley kitchen and has some cabinets here. Currently just a small teeny kitchen, probably 8 or 10 by 20. At the moment, there's a stove that needs to be thrown away. Kitchen cabinets could be serviceable. Refrigerator, washer, dryer hookup is in the kitchen, and those need to be tossed out. There's exposed brick that could be cleaned and used. There's a nice accent, and the back door. Very small in here. Let's take a look at the back door. Okay. Did you have the key to the back door, the lock? All right, we're gonna go into the bathroom here. The bathroom is dated, has a little bit of vinyl on the floor. Okay, small. Bathtub is tile plastic. It's rotted at the bottom. Okay, needs a new bathtub. And etc. I put a new bathtub in it and tile surround. But it's small, just like the rest of the house. Let's see. Has 2 rooms, very dark. Let's see if I find a light. Okay, one room looks like 11 by 16. Look around. Has carpet in it at the moment. And a small closet. Second bedroom, a little smaller than that one. Currently has 2 windows. The walls are plaster. Previously had wallpaper on them. Small closet here. So it's just a little teeny tiny 2-bedroom. Floor. I'm trying to get used to this gimbal. The flooring is tile. All the flooring in the house needs to be redone. So here's kind of a living room video picture. And the kitchen and the back door is locked, so I have to go outside and see what it looks like. Okay, so Matheson is kind of at the corner of Jordan and Matheson out here. The outside has vinyl. The roof is okay, but we'll need a replacement. On the right side of the house, there's no air conditioning or heating in the house. There's a shed in the back. And again, there's a panoramic view. Jordan, the street right over here goes down to Amelie's and to 36th Street. Plaza Midwood's over there, this way. There's new construction homes down here for $700,000 to $900,000 within about a block and a half. There's some construction easement here during construction for some reason. That's all I've been told. Front yard is okay. Needs a little bit of work. The house is set back a little bit. Okay. Neighbor. Again, another air conditioning window. The electric's old. They covered the original house with vinyl at some point. But look how deep this lot is. This lot goes very deep. And looks like it might overlook the park. You can build a nice deep house in here, I guess. I'll have to look at the plot lines. There's a new house just a couple doors away on the little side street. And looking back at the house. Smaller house, big lot. Still the lot goes back far. This is the back of the other houses. They're also older. Soon to be torn down, probably. Old neighborhood gets fixed up. Up above, there's next door neighbor's tree. Needs some trimming, but on this property, there's no trees that really would cost an owner to remove or sell. So, blue house, there's a little storage shed in the back. And you just see the back of the house. Nice sized lot. Good location.